We are going to find out in 1 minute how much angle is traced by a minute hand, hour hand, etc. Let us see, draw a clock and find it out. I have a clock. Here you have 1, 2, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So, in 60 minutes, minutes hand traces how many degrees? So, in 60 minutes, it makes full round means 360 degrees. So, in 1 minute, how much it will trace? 360 degrees by 60. That gives us 6 degrees. In 12 hours, hours hand traces 360 degrees. In 1 hour, hours hand traces 360 by 12, 30 degrees. That means in 60 minutes, hours hand traces 30 degrees. So in 1 minute, how much it traces? 30 degrees by 60. That is 1 by 2 degrees. We will be applying these conditions in doing problems.